Coming up in this video, I've got a fun and fruity highball, tropical kind of highball using JJ Whitley's Raspberry Vodka, and it certainly packs a punch with raspberry. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman, and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks even more. I'm all about inspiration, drinks inspiration. If you're sitting there thinking, I've got a bottle of raspberry vodka at home, what else can I make with it? These are the videos for you. If you've got another brand of raspberry vodka, that's totally cool. I love JJ Whitley, the sister brand to Whitley Neill as well. Basically, they just pack a punch with flavour, proper out and out. If I want a raspberry vodka, I want a vodka that tastes of raspberry. And boy, does you just literally on smelling it, you just literally want to drink a straw, dip a straw in there and just have a little sip. Absolutely vibrant and tasty. So this cocktail is a highball. We're going a fun glass, which is Drink Stuff sent me. Thank you very much, Drink Stuff. More about them in a bit, because I've got a few ingredients you can get from Drink Stuff as well. We're going to make this in a cocktail shaker. And you might notice I haven't given this cocktail a name yet, because I'm terrible at naming cocktails. So it's the whole theme of all these videos. You guys regularly that watch these, you know I'm terrible at naming cocktails. So once you've seen the ingredients, I want you to help me out. Stick the names, stick your suggestions in the comments below. Help me name it up, and that can go into my updated cocktail book, which you can get if you're a Patreon member. You always get the free one. That's just there for you to download in every video, but the updated version is a perk of my membership tiers. So that, more about that at the end. Right, crack on. 50ml double bubble of your raspberry vodka. Double bubble. It's just such a lovely vodka. Really like that. 50ml that. 15ml freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1.5. Now, as I said, to Drink Stuff, I mentioned them. This is the main place that you can get these purees from. I'm going Yuzu puree. This is ODK Yuzu puree. Long life, shelf stable. Even once opened, they'll keep for about 3 months once opened. Best before on them is huge. I don't even know where the date is on this, but I know, oh, there it is. Best before 0523. 23, 3 years on it. Let's give it a good shake. And just want 20ml. So yeah, you get these for Drink Stuff, links in the show notes. And I love using purees because they always guarantee you consistency with flavour. Yes, some people are going, oh well, it's got loads of sugar in it. I guarantee it, if you're using fresh fruit anyway, A, you can't guarantee the taste of the fresh fruit, B, you're adding sugar to it anyway, so then actually they're completely the same sort of thing. It's just really easy to work with. Loads of flavours as well: blackberry, papaya, yuzu, pear, raspberry, mango, strawberry, passion fruit, coconut, banana, watermelon, pineapple, cherry, kiwi, peach. I haven't got room for it. Peach. There's cranberry coming, there's grapefruit coming, there's one more coming that I've forgotten. There's a cherry one somewhere. Where's the cherry? Oh, cherry, I mentioned that. There's another flavour coming somewhere. They're just amazing to work with. Anyway, so we've got 20ml of yuzu puree, 15ml of lemon juice, 50ml of raspberry vodka. The last ingredient before the shake is pressed pineapple juice. Supermarket own brand is fine in the chilled aisle. I just say always try and make it pressed, because it actually tastes a bit better than the concentrate stuff that you get in the long life aisle. So 50ml of pineapple juice. Right, we just need to ice down the glass, ice that, and then we're going to give it a really good hard shake. Plenty of ice. Tin on. There is one more ingredient coming as well. Tin on, hard fast shake, 12 seconds. Right, nice and chilled. Lovely jubbly. The final ingredient is, I'm just going this, I love this. It has been rebranded a few months ago now, but I've just found, I was having to sort out, I just found some older tins. That's what it looks like these days. Mango, sparkling mango juice, Rubicon. Lovely. Just want 50ml, double bubble. There we go. And I'm pouring it in the shaker so I don't have to stir it anymore. Perfect. Right. Now we just need to get a Hawthorne strainer, and we're just going to strain it straight into a glass. Look at that. Perfect. Love that. Right, garnish because of the pineapple juice. I think I'm going for a wedge of pineapple. Just pop that on. And then pop it that way. Cut that a bit, Paul, didn't I? And then I'm just going to, I love these pineapple leaves. Give it that tropical sort of vibe. Perfect. Stick a straw in. What are you thinking of your names? What are you thinking? Yuzu, raspberry, pineapple. I'm terrible. I'll just call it a yuzu and pineapple cooler, tropical cooler. I'm terrible. So I need your help with names. Please stick that in the comments below. What's it taste like? Oh, that is delicious. Even though there's 5 ingredients in there, that still comes through. The raspberry is the big bold note in that. Oh, that is so good. That is, oh, I've no words. I've no words. I need your names. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Absolutely love that. Oh, drink that again. Oh, anyway, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell. YouTube will then notify you every time I set a new video live. And if you want access, if you want to be in my little gang, my little Patreon gang, big shout out to Mark, to Christopher, to Ben, to Lucy at the moment. Thank you for supporting me in there. Basically, it's my membership tiers. Check out my Patreon. Links in the show notes. Cheers.